closely. We've taken the car apart, all the little trim pieces and stuff that needed to be taken off in order for us to wrap it. It's taken quite a bit of time, but you know, it's all part of the process. This is the second car I've ever wrapped. So this material, I think it's their newer stuff that just came out this year. It's been amazing. It wraps easily around anything. It's very flexible. The material, it feels amazing. You know, it's probably way better than the other one too. This is the Avery Dennison Gloss Dark Yellow. Prepping for this, we did a lot of changes from the last one. So this one we try to plan everything out. You know, we did one big panel on the side using the excess for the doors and the side skirt. You know, as little waste as possible. So one of the things is the customer was able to wash the car previously, like right before he dropped it off to us. But one of the things is, you know, they don't clean perfect to our standards. A lot of the dirt is trapped under the molding and all that stuff. So we have to take extra time to clean everything out, you know, for the vinyl to stick and we don't have any edge failures. The door handle, it actually is a lot easier. There's a little black thing in the back where it doesn't like to stick, but it's one of the newer handles, so the newer handles are a little bit easier to wrap. So for the rest of the car, we're tackling all the big panels today. So we got the hood, the roof, and the trunk going down today, and you know, tomorrow we're gonna finish off the other side. Hopefully it'll be done by the end of the week. I went into it with a lot of optimism. It took a lot longer than I expected for all the trim pieces. One of the roof shark antenna being one of the harder ones. You have to take apart the interior in order to take the antenna off. So that was a learning experience. But overall, wrapping second car, the wrapping part has been easy. The taking the car apart portion was the rough part. Yeah. So biggest thing is, you know, if you want a flawless look, you gotta take the car apart. So, you know, taking the brake lights out so you can get a good tuck under it. Taking, you know, the roof antenna off so then it would be nice and flush and everything. Even these moldings, you know, we took the moldings off in order to get under there really nicely. So it's just the little details. Door handle was taken off. We'll probably do a wrap up on, you know, like a little recap once we finish. You know, once I finish the entire car, we'll talk about it a little bit more about, you know, the struggles or, you know, the little things that I learned along the way. But as for now, you know, it's still a work in progress. So yeah, I started this side and I didn't pull it off initially. So there's a lot of dirt and so the molding is really the one holding that side on. But we're gonna clean and do everything right on the right side. But like, since I already cleaned the trunk and the hood yesterday, like I'm probably gonna use a blower, so I'll probably wrap one first so I don't have to get all the debris on it.
So that's the game plan?
Yeah. So trunk and hood first, and then finish off with the roof.
Genesis emblem, the Hyundai emblem, and Jason removed it, so we wanted to show you how he did it. So here's the emblem. He removed it already. So how did you do it, bro? All right. So on the emblem, it's got the traditional glue, but it's held on by 2 screws on the back. Really, really small. Let me try to get the screw for you guys. So here's the screw. It's really, really small, right? And with one of them, you can actually reach if you have a really small screwdriver set, as we have here, and you're able to reach through this little square hole. But the other, you can't really reach with anything. There's no opening for it. So we were lucky. We had a really small. So right there, right? Yes, the little square right here. So you can see the white in the back. All right, so those 2 tabs you see right there, that's what's holding the Hyundai emblem on the trunk. So it's 2 little Phillips screws, right? Right, Jason? Yep. Yeah, 2 little Phillips screws that hold the emblem in place, and you have to get through to it. I believe Jason said right here.
Yes, the little square.
Yeah, a little square right there. So
you can reach one from there.
Yeah, you can reach one from there, and then you're gonna just try your best to get the other one. But this is pretty much where you're gonna be able to remove it. And here's the emblem, and there's those 2 holes right there, and it's also being held by the adhesive too. But yeah, this is how to remove the emblem, since we are showing you guys the wrap project that we're working on. Jason's finishing up the car, and he also removed the taillights. To remove the taillights, bro, they're just the bolts, right there?
Yes, there's 4 bolts on the back, and just disconnect.
So they're right here, right? Those bolts.
Yeah. So do this will be quicker.
Okay.
So there are the 4 bolts.
Cool. All right, guys. So stay tuned, guys, for more on our Firm 400 vlog. And this time we're featuring the Hyundai Genesis right here, the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. And Jason here, he's going to be hopefully finishing up the Genesis real soon. And then we'll update you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.